It is said that without shipping, half the world would starve and the other half would freeze. This statement clearly articulates the importance of shipping in the world economy. Well, until today, shipping remains the most important transportation for global trade. Especially in the transportation of energy, shipping remains the most cost-effective and efficient way to transport oil and gas products globally. Do you know that we have one of the largest energy logistic companies in the world? And you can invest in their stocks on Bursa Malaysia. Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, Asia's very own financial edutainment network. Subscribe to our channel to get smart with money and don't forget to turn on the notification for the latest video updates. Now, if you're more active on Facebook or Instagram, you can follow us there as well. With Malaysia being one of the largest natural gas producer in the world and the second largest liquefied natural gas exporter in the world, liquefied natural gas, LNG, is simply natural gas being cooled down to a liquid state to make it easier for transportation purpose. And shipping is the most important way for the transportation of oil and gas products, and this includes LNG. It is deemed as the most efficient and cost-effective way of delivering energy products globally. The Malaysia International Shipping Corporation Berhad MISC was founded by Tan Sri Robert Kwok in 1968. As Malaysia's energy business expanded globally, so did MISC. Today, MISC has grown into a global maritime conglomerate with over 100 vessels and floating assets. The company was listed on Bursa Malaysia since 1987 and it is currently the largest energy shipping company in Malaysia with a market cap of 34.59 billion ringgit. It is one of the blue chip stocks that is included in the Kuala Lumpur Component Index. So let's learn more about their business in this video and find out if this blue chip stock is something you'd like to invest in. Today, MISC Berhad has 4 core businesses, which play an important role in the global oil and gas industry. The first is their LNG Asset Solution. The transportation of liquefied natural gas is highly specialized and skilled business. It requires years of experience and technical specialties. With more than 30 years experience in the LNG transportation business, MISC is one of the largest LNG carrier owner-operator in the world, with 29 vessels of LNG carrier and 2 floating storage units. MISC has been delivering liquefied natural gas across the globe for decades, with over 9,800 voyages and more than 500 million tons of LNG carried since 1983. Their LNG Asset Solution business contributed 2.5 billion in revenue to the business and 1.2 billion in operating profit to the business in 2019. The second is the petroleum and product shipping business. MISC provides a comprehensive ocean transportation and specialist petroleum services to the largest oil and gas companies, trading houses, and refiners in the world. Currently, MISC has 78 vessels all across the world, and they have delivered more than 9.5 billion barrels of petroleum and chemical cargoes in 2011. One of the main services that they provide is called lightering. It is the process of transferring oil cargo from ship to ship. It is an important process in the transportation of oil and gas for the industry. And MISC is the market leader in lightering operations in the US Gulf and Latin America. Those are one of the most important regions for oil and gas production in the world. This arm of the business contributed 4.3 billion in revenue to the business and 360 million in operating profit to the business for the year 2019. Their third business is the Offshore Business Solution. FPSO and FSO are floating vessels used by the offshore oil and gas industry for production and storage of oil and gas in the sea. Yes, that is what FPSO means. It means that it floats, it produces, it stores, and it offloads. FPSO and FSO have become one of the primary methods of oil and gas processing and storage today. Today, MISC is one of the largest FPSO and FSO owner-operator with 40 14 assets and business across Malaysia, Vietnam, Brazil, and other strategic locations to meet demands of the oil and gas industry today. Oh yeah, do you know that MISC owns the first and largest semi-submersible floating production system in Asia? In 2019, their offshore business contributed 1.08 billion in revenue and 495 million in operating profit to the business. And the fourth business is their marine and heavy engineering business. Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering Holdings Berhad (MHB) is the publicly listed subsidiary of MISC Berhad. MHB provides a full range of engineering, procurement, construction, installation, and commissioning services for offshore and onshore facilities. MHB was listed on BURSA Malaysia in 2010, and currently MHB owns the largest dry dock facilities in Southeast Asia and the largest fabrication yard in Malaysia. This heavy engineering arm contributed 1 billion in revenue to the business and recorded a loss of 40.5 million for the business. Well, with a combination of the four core businesses and others, MISC recorded a revenue of 8.9 billion for the year of 2019, and they recorded an operating profit of 1.9 billion for that year as well. The total asset of MISC as at 31st of December 2019 was 51.86 billion ringgit, and in the financial year of 2019, they also distributed a dividend of 33 cents per share to reward their shareholders. As of 22nd July 2020, MISC Berhad share price closed at 7 ringgit and 75 cents per share. As you can see, MISC Berhad is certainly an important company that serves to support the oil and gas business through specialized services from transportation, storage, production, and engineering. And since Malaysia is one of the most important oil and gas producers in the world, MISC is in a unique position to grow its business as one of the largest oil and gas supporting business in the industry. So, what do you think of MISC Berhad? Is it a business that's worth investing in your opinion? Share with us your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. If you like what you're watching, do remember to like this video and leave a comment for us. I'll see you next time.